0.20, altimeter 3003. Simultaneous visual approaches in use, landing runway 1 left and runway 1 right. Noted.
Wichita, clearance delivery, Cessna 20464.
Calling for clearance as a landline. Say again.
Yes, sir. Cessna 20464 is on the ground Yingling Informational Whiskey. We'd like VFR flight following to Guthrie, Oklahoma, identifier Golf Oscar Kilo. We'd like to go up to 7,500.
20464, say again the type Cessna.
We're a Cessna 172 slant uniform for 464.
Cessna 464, roger. Cessna 464, maintain 3000, departure frequency 134.85, squawk 1166.
Cessna 20464 will maintain VFR at 3000, departure frequency 134.85, squawk 1166.
Cessna 464, read backtrack.
Thanks, sir.
Bombardier test 504, cross runway 14.
Yeah. Cross 14, Bombardier test 504.
Wichita ground L again, Cessna 20464 at Yingling Alpha 6, ready to taxi with whiskey.
20464, Wichita ground runway 1 right at intersection Bravo, taxi via Alpha and Bravo.
1 right, Alpha Bravo, 464.
Wichita ground, Brickyard 5401, pushing gate 5, courtesy call.
Brickyard 5401, roger.
Break set.
Thanks, advisory ready for taxi.
Trim set for takeoff. Flight controls, that one goes up, that goes down. Instrument set. 3. Okay. Oil, tempo, everything's getting green. Alright, back to idle. Wichita Tower, Cessna 20464 is holding short 1 right at Bravo, ready to go.
Cessna 20464, Wichita Tower, turn right heading 05, correction 040, runway 1 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff.
Left to 040, or correction, right to 040, clear for takeoff, 1 right, 464. Right tails down to the 4 mixture, set transponder altitude, landing lights.
Skywest 4481, continue to Charlie, turn right, ground point 901 off.
Charlie, ground 1 off, Skywest 4481.
Tails down to the 4 mixtures, good, everything is good. There we go, full power. Turn left, or right to 040. Engine making full power, instruments in the green, airspeed's coming alive. There's 60. 65, 70. Rotate.
Tower, set H test 43 for 1 left, but option will plan on touch and go this time.
Set H test 43, Wichita Tower, roger. Number 2, follow a Metro liner on mile final, runway 1 left, clear to the option.
To the option on 1 left, set H test 43. Making sure again, AM flight 1317 is clear to land.
AM flight 1317 affirmative, runway 1 left, clear to land.
1 left, clear to land. You're going to need us to make an early turn off, or can we go all the way to Delta 2?
I expect all the way to Delta 2, just no delay on the runway. That traffic's holding at Delta 3.
Yeah, we're keeping our speed up, 1317.
Cessna 464, contact departure.
Departure 464, have a good day.
4000 till Wampa, cleared the area now, 36 approach, exact jet 110.
92, turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees to the left, jet speed 92.
Wichita departure, Cessna 20464 is 2200 on heading 040.
November 20464, Wichita departure, radar contact. Cessna 464, resume your own navigation. What'll be your on-course heading?
On course heading is 178, and we'll proceed on course for 20464. Can we go higher than 3000 now?
464, altitude your discretion. What'd you say your heading was going to be?
About 180, 464.
November 464, roger. Jet speed 92, cleared visual approach, runway 1 right, contact the tower, 118.2.
Okay, cleared the visual and 18.2, jet speed 92, so long.